One amazing ridge walk with clear blue water below and a view right down Victoria Harbour. We are counting down Hong Kong's 10 best hikes right here on Drone and Phone. Welcome to a brand new series of Drone and Phone. We're taking on Hong Kong's 10 best hikes. You may remember we asked you to give us your opinion of the best hikes. We've taken that information, we've asked lots of experts and we've scoured the web for their recommendations, and we came up with one database and 10 hikes. Today we're doing number 10, the 10th best hike in Hong Kong. What is it, George?
Number 10, Hai Jung Peak. So we're here now at Phật Thon Dan, Tin Hau Temple, and then we're going to climb up Hai Jung Peak later,
Now this is a ridge walk. It beat out Dragon's Back, surprisingly one of Hong Kong's probably most famous walks. Let's get going.
Let's go.
Starting with a minibus ride from Hang Hau to Tai Tong Teng, we start by making our way down to Hong Kong's largest Tin Hau Temple and a view over the water to Tung Lung Chau. After a quick look around, we head back to the point we dropped off the minibus and start on the path up to Hai Jung Peak. Well, this starts with a pretty steep up. We're going straight up steps from the entrance to the golf club, actually right the way down from the Tin Hau Temple. It's pretty well up all the way. Once up the first climb, be sure to turn around and take in the view behind you before heading off along the ridge. We're now heading up Hai Jung Peak, the tallest of the mountains. We've just come down quite a way. George?
Oh, there's a staircase up to the heaven.
Stairway to heaven, here we go. After passing Ha Shan Tuk, the view over Clearwater Bay opens up on your right and a long view down Victoria Harbour on your left. This is definitely a hike for a clear day if you want to enjoy the spectacle it offers. So we're going to go this way up to Hai Jung Peak. There is a path that skirts around it if you don't want to do the hill, or down to Clearwater Bay here. Baby shark, peek, 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 peek. Baby shark, peek, 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 peek. Baby shark, peek, 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 peek. Baby shark. Baby shark, peek, 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 peek. George just said it's like a baby shark peak. The highlight of the walk is the 360-degree panorama from Hai Jung Peak. It's not the tallest mountain in Hong Kong by a long way, but it is hard to beat for the land and sea views. From the peak, it's a gentle stroll down to Clearwater Bay Road, where you can pick up a bus back to Hang Hau. Well, we're just reaching the end of this hike. It's been about 7k in the end, so fairly simple. I would say of all of the hikes, the 10 best, this is going to be definitely one of the easiest. Some spectacular views, a little bit of technical climbing. It's not all straightforward, but it's on a path all the way, no bushwhacking or anything difficult. How was it for you, George?
Yeah, it was a great hike. If you are keen on trying something like the Shark Peak, I think you should come here and try the Baby Shark Peak first. It's amazing.
Yeah, it's fairly simple. Now, as always, if you like this show, please like and subscribe wherever you see this. We're particularly keen for our YouTube followers to subscribe. If you're watching it there, just hit that subscribe button. But for now, my name's DJ.
And I'm George.
And this is Drone and Phone.
And don't forget to watch the next episode.
Well, if you finish your hike and you want a great spot to spend the sunset, we recommend
Devil's Peak is a really short hike, very easy, but great views.
fantastic views. Do this at the end of the day, you will not regret it.